Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 1987 Buick Grand National. This is a pretty unique one because it's a very low option Grand National. Still is a WE2 car. It doesn't have power windows, power seats, and it does not have the Concert Sound 2 stereo. So that makes it a lot lighter than the original, loaded up ones. This specific one I'd rate a 6 out of 10 in regards to the quality. Very, very clean. Does have minor imperfections on the front and rear bumperettes. So it looks like a dog tried to eat this bumper here, and then the paint is fading. Bumper fillers are nice and clean. There are imperfections on the paint in regards to the hood and the trunk, but the body itself is extremely solid. It's a very healthy car, so lightweight with tons of options. I'm gonna pop the hood right now and show you the good stuff. Look at how nice that is. Has an intake, MAF converter, brand new alternator, very detailed top side, so they did replace the valve covers, all the hoses replaced as well. It is running factory injectors, factory intercooler. It does have it has a downpipe, a catless downpipe to a full pipes exhaust, and underneath the car is extremely nice. You'll see that in our gallery, very, very clean. Let's walk down the driver's side since you're standing over there. We're looking at the driver's side right now. I rated the paint quality a 6.5 to a 7 because there are minor imperfections. I see some small nicks here, some nicks here as well. Quarters are very, very nice, but there is minor bubbling right here, which is very common. I'm gonna open up the door for you now. Interior, as I said, it's a lightweight, so you're gonna have crank windows, no power seats, no concert sound. So if you had concert sound, you'd have a little speaker set right here. Dash is very nice. It is showing 56,000 miles, and I want you to take a look at our passenger seat. That's our Turbo T. I'm gonna pull it out right now. We only have 100 of these available. That's a limited stock. Once we sell them, there's no more. You can go to our social media, our Instagram, Bullet Motorsports. You can send a message via DM, or you can email us as well, sales@Bullet Motorsport. It's a pretty nice shirt. It has the Grand National, I brake for Corvettes, and retro design like Miami Vice. Multiple colors, nice cotton design, and it's not cheap. It's really nice. You'd like to wear it. All right, we just showed you that beautiful t-shirt. Be sure to place your orders. I'm looking at the tires right now. They have about 95% tread. Wheel caps are in great shape. We did have to polish these wheels quite a bit just to bring them back to life. I do see another small nick right here. Let me get the keys while you guys are looking at the trunk and all the bumper fillers and that beautiful Grand National badge on the trunk. Oh yeah, that's our sticker. We also have a shirt that has the Ride or Die. I'm not gonna make this like an advertisement, but if you buy the Ride or Die shirt, you get that decal as well. So I just opened up the trunk. We're gonna look at this right here. WE2 is gonna signify that it is a Grand National. I am including the original Power Master that was replaced. You can get that rebuilt if you wanna go back to OE. And there's a couple of minor parts in here as well. Let's go ahead and close this. No rust throughout. Underside is really, really solid. Passenger quarter is very nice, minor imperfections right here. So as I said, that paint quality is gonna be driver quality. There are small imperfections throughout, but it is a solid car. Passenger side door looks really good. Dash is very nice. I do see a little tear on the dash up here. Just pointing everything out. I don't want anybody to be surprised when they buy a car from us. Look at our reviews, 100% positive feedback. I think we've sold almost 1,100 cars in the past 10 years. All online. Let me jump in and start it up, and we'll take it for a ride. Starts up easily. There is a crack in the windscreen, but we will take care of that before purchase. So once someone buys it, we're going to get it replaced. I have all the clips that are for it as well. Headliner's really nice. Let's give it some gas. Sounds really good. Let me put this shirt inside and we'll take it for a ride. I'm gonna turn on the air condition. We just had it serviced at Trackside Automotive. Blows cold. You do have a re-stitched steering wheel, which is very nice. It's not original, but it is a correct color gray, which is pretty impressive. Horn works. Center shift is nice. Ashtray is nice. Center console looks good. And then your glove box is clean. And I believe these are for the math conversion instructions. That's a must do if you're not worried about being period correct. It makes it ride so much better. Headliner's in great shape. Light works as it should. Let's put it into drive and take it for a drive. We're gonna turn right here. I'm gonna put the window up so you can have better sound. Shifts are firm, very dry underneath as well. You can hear the turbo. Ooh, I love that sound. Sounds really good. Close this window a little bit better. We're gonna let it get to operating temperature, and then we'll take it down our little test track. You guys can see how it runs and drives. If you have any questions at all in regards to this Grand National or any of the other ones we have, just shoot us an email or give us a call at our office at 954-363-2261. Also, we ship worldwide, so if you want to ship it to a different country or you want to ship it to California, just fill out our transport form. We'll be able to answer that within 24 hours and get you a complete price point with a shipping quote. Turn signal indicators are working as they should. We're going to turn at the blue sign. I am noticing that the speedometer is off by quite a bit. RPM gauge is working as it should. Brakes feel really good. So what we'll do here is I'm not going to do the brake boost like I normally do. I'm just going to floor it. Ready? Whoa. These things are so much fun. You can hear it break loose into second gear when it chirped, and it just pulls like a freight train. These are, I mean, this is the coolest car you could buy. You got air condition, a stereo that does work, you know, power brakes, power steering, and tons of horsepower and torque, mostly torque. Let's go ahead and give it some gas again. That's nice. Let's get some outside shots. You can make your decision on if this is the right Grand National for you. As I said, we have 5 in stock. We're constantly looking for really nice examples to bring to the public. Right now we have all the way from 30,000 original miles up to 98,000 miles, so we can kind of fill anybody's void. Thanks again, and keep on subscribing.